In a small, quiet town nestled between rolling hills and golden fields, there lived a young boy named Liam. He was 10 years old, with wide eyes full of dreams and a heart full of questions. Life hadn't been kind to Liam. His father had passed away in a factory accident when he was just 5, and his mother, though loving and hard-working, struggled to make ends meet. They lived in a modest cottage at the edge of town. The roof leaked during storms, and the heater barely worked in winter. But what made life even harder was that Liam was often teased at school for wearing old clothes and never bringing fancy lunches like the other kids. The taunts made him quiet and withdrawn. He began to believe that maybe he wasn't meant for anything great, just another face in a forgotten corner of the world. One day, while helping his mother in the backyard, Liam stumbled upon an old, rusty gardening box. Inside were seed sunflowers, daisies, tomatoes, and herbs, with a faded note tucked inside that read, "Plant these with love, water them with hope, and they will grow beyond your dreams." Something about the note sparked a flicker of curiosity. It was the first time in months Liam felt something other than sadness. With no money to buy new things, Liam decided he'd bring life back to the abandoned garden patch behind their house. Every day after school, he worked tirelessly, digging the hard soil, planting the seeds, and carrying water from the town well in old jars. At first, nothing happened. The earth looked as dry and empty as before. But Liam remembered the note. Water them with hope. So every day, as he poured water into the soil, he whispered kind words to the seeds. "You're going to grow strong. You'll make the world beautiful. You can do it just like me." Days turned into weeks. Then one morning, a single green sprout poked through the soil. Liam gasped and called his mother. She smiled, truly smiled, for the first time in a long while. "You did this," she said, touching his shoulder, "because you believed." Soon, the backyard transformed. Colorful flowers bloomed under the sun. Tomatoes and herbs filled the air with scent. Birds returned. Butterflies danced. The townspeople began to notice. Some asked Liam for gardening tips. Others brought him tools and seeds to encourage him. The school invited him to help build a community garden. His classmates, once teasing, now looked at him with admiration. Liam's life didn't become perfect. His mother still worked long hours, and bills still arrived. But something had changed. He had changed. He no longer looked down when he walked. His eyes sparkled with quiet strength. He had learned a powerful truth. When you think positively, even in the darkest soil, you can plant something beautiful. Years later, Liam became a horticulturist, teaching young children how to garden and how to believe. On the entrance of his greenhouse, he painted the words that changed his life. Plant with love, water with hope, grow beyond your dreams.